The internet has changed many parts of our lives. One big change is how we make money. More people now make money online. This trend is growing fast. Many want to work from home. They look for ways to earn without going to an office. The internet gives everyone a chance to make money. Different methods work for different people. Some need extra income. Others want a full-time job. The internet has options for everyone. It doesn't matter where you live. All you need is a computer and internet. This makes it easy for beginners to start. Starting can be confusing. There are many ways to make money online. Knowing where to start is hard. This guide will help you. It will show simple methods to start earning. You don't need special skills. Just follow the steps and stay focused. The goal is to give you practical tips. Real-life examples will show how others did it. This can inspire you to try. Making money online is possible for anyone. Let's explore how you can start today. Finding the right method is important. Not all methods work for everyone. You need to find what suits you best. Think about your interests. What are you good at? This will help you choose the right path. Some people are good at writing. Others like making videos. Some enjoy selling products. Knowing your skills helps. It makes the process easier. You will enjoy what you do. This increases your chance of success. Don't rush. Take your time to explore options. Try different methods. See what works best. It's okay to fail at first. Learn from your mistakes. Keep trying until you find the right fit. Patience is key. Research is important too. Read about different methods. Watch tutorials. Join online forums. Talk to others who make money online. Their experiences can guide you. This will help you make better choices. Finding the right method takes time, but it's worth it. There are many simple ways to make money online. Let's look at 5 easy methods. You can start with any of these. They are beginner-friendly and don't need special skills. 1. Freelance writing. Many websites need content. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have many writing jobs. 2. Online surveys. Companies pay for your opinion. It's easy and doesn't take much time. 3. Selling products. You can sell products online. Websites like Etsy and eBay are good for this. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission. Share product links on your blog or social media. 5. Online tutoring. Teach others if you're good at a subject. It's flexible and pays well. Section 4. Real-life examples and success stories. Real-life examples can inspire you. Let's look at some success stories. These people started as beginners. Now they make good money online. Their stories show that anyone can do it. Jane started writing on Upwork. She built a strong portfolio. Now she writes for big websites. She makes a full-time income from writing. Tom started with Swagbucks. He did surveys in his free time. Now he also does product reviews. He makes a good side income every month. Sarah started selling handmade jewelry on Etsy. She now runs a successful online store. She makes a full-time income from her sales. Section 5. Key points to remember. Making money online is possible for anyone. Here are some key points to remember. These will help you succeed. First, be patient. Success doesn't come overnight. It takes time and effort. Don't give up if you fail at first. Learn from your mistakes and keep trying. Patience and persistence are important. Second, choose the right method. Find what suits you best. Think about your skills and interests. Try different methods. See what works for you. This will make the process enjoyable. Third, research and learn. Read about different methods. Watch tutorials and join forums. Talk to others who make money online. Their experiences can guide you. Keep learning and improving. Fourth, stay organized. Set clear goals. Make a plan and follow it. Track your progress. This will keep you focused and motivated. Being organized helps you achieve your goals. Finally, take action. Start with small steps. Don't wait for the perfect time. The sooner you start, the sooner you can succeed. Take action and stay committed to your goals. Section 6. Encouragement to take action. Now that you know the basics, it's time to take action. Don't just read about making money online. Start doing it. The first step is the hardest, but also the most important. You can do it. Start with something simple. Choose one method and give it a try. It doesn't have to be perfect. You will learn as you go. The key is to start. Every small step brings you closer to your goal. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes at first. They are part of the learning process. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Mistakes are just opportunities to improve. Stay motivated. Remember why you want to make money online. Maybe you want extra income, or maybe you want to quit your job. Keep your goal in mind. This will keep you focused and motivated. Finally, believe in yourself. You have the ability to succeed. Many people have done it, and so can you. Stay positive and keep trying. Success is within your reach. Take action today and start your journey. Section 7. Conclusion. Making money online is a growing trend. It offers many opportunities for beginners. You can start with simple methods. Freelance writing, online surveys, selling products, affiliate marketing, and online tutoring are great options. Real-life examples show that anyone can succeed. It takes patience, the right method, and continuous learning. Stay organized and take action. Start with small steps and keep moving forward. Mistakes are part of the journey. Learn from them and keep improving. Remember, the key to success is taking action. Don't just read about it, start doing it. With determination and effort, you can make money online. Believe in yourself and stay committed. Success is possible for anyone willing to try. Start today and see where it takes you.